Hello everyone, today we are going to do a new experiment in this video of baking soda, turmeric, lemon juice and some water. So we are going to start. Firstly we are taking some water in a glass. Now we will add some turmeric powder. Little bit. We will mix it. It's mixed. Now when we will add baking soda to it, we have to see that color is changing or not. The color is changed. It's dark. Now if we want to do it again that, now we will going to add lemon juice. Have you seen the color again changed? Yeah. In this experiment. So please like, comment and subscribe. कमेंट करके बताना कि आपको अब नेक्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट कौन सा चाहिए. थैंक यू.